5 Best Cordless Stick Vacuum for Carpet Reviews. Number 1. Tyneco A11 Hero. This is one of the most powerful stick vacuums out there. It has a 450W motor that gives 128 of suction power. This gives it a high suction power that will clean your tile floors as well as the carpet and give them that clean and shiny look that you want. So, it can be used as a best cordless stick vacuum for carpet. It also has a 10-inch brush roll that enhances its cleaning abilities. The brush spins, which makes it suitable for cleaning hard-surfaced floors. It has a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery. It comes in pairs, which means you can switch the batteries should you need to. The battery lasts for 30 minutes on normal mode and 7 minutes on max mode. Number 2. Jash Powerful Stick Vacuum. This vacuum is really good because of its impressive suction power. You can use it for 40 minutes non-stop. It can pick up even the thinnest and lightest debris like pet hair. For versatility, the vacuum comes with 2 different brushes for cleaning different types of floors. It has extra HEPA filtration with 3 stages of filtration. Jash vacuum separates air very efficiently from non-allergenic fresh air. It also saves your vacuum as it is easily cleaned. This preserves your suctioning and prevents the vacuum from clogging. It also comes with an LED front light, which means you can use it in low lighting. It has a battery indicator that lets you know the battery percentage. Number 3. Dyson Cyclone V10. The Dyson brand really made a phenomenal tool when it comes to the Cyclone V10. It has a long-lasting battery that can give you up to a whole hour of continuous usage. It has one of the most powerful suction power. Dyson Cyclone V10 removes dirt from even the thickest of surfaces. The vacuum is lightweight, so it won't give you any problems when it comes to using it for a long time. It is also versatile in that it can be used to clean different surfaces in the home. Can transform to a handheld vacuum to clean upholstery and chairs. It can be used to pick up any debris, whether large or fine dust particles. Its dust bin is bigger than most vacuums, so it can store a lot of dirt. This means you won't need to frequently empty it. It also has 3 power modes that you can choose from for cleaning different areas. Number 4. Connect 222. Generally speaking, this is a very efficient piece of equipment. It provides homeowners with the opportunity to keep their homes flawlessly clean constantly without having to go through a lot of distressful situations. From control to maneuverability to the options, this machine makes it easy for the user to maximize dirt removal. This equipment boasts all floor cleaning ability, which means it can clean any type of floor. It has a powerful nozzle that deep cleans floors to perfection. Similarly, it can easily switch between hard floor and carpet when you press a button on the hand vacuum. Number 5. BLACKDECKER Cordless 2-inch-1. This is an innovatively engineered vacuum with some amazing features or abilities. With several reputable brands boasting of an average running time of just 20 minutes, this is one of the few exceptions. It offers way more than the average running time, and would, therefore, clean larger area before running out of charge. This is an innovative inclusion that simplifies the cleaning task for you. This technology makes the vacuum even more suitable for large-scale cleaning, especially since it makes the equipment easier to use or operate. With the AutoSense characteristic, it is capable of adjusting suction from uncovered floor to thick carpet. The filter sense notifies you to clean the filter. The battery sense indicates the remaining battery.